I know, I see. No, you can't do that. You can't chase the whales. It's against the law. No, they're not. They just happen to be there. All right, look at the whales. Yeah, got some whale action going on out there.
There's a lot of them.
Yeah, there's a whole lot of them. There you go. Look at him go. Look at that tail. My goodness. Big old tail.